Guys, Boss Patty, how are you? Welcome to MPAI Labs. This is video number 2 for the Google tool. It's free. It's called Whisk AI. I am actually going to show you my other screen, but it is a great free image creator. You can actually animate a lot of things on here, and you can actually grow more of your content. And once you come to the Whisk AI, this is the actual website. Okay, I'm going to show you something because there is another website that has a similar name. Okay, you want to come to the Whisk Lab Google, not the whiskailabs.com. That's a totally different. That's not part of Google. Okay, you click on this, it's going to bring you to the screen. This is the screen that you want to see. Okay, so you can enter the tool here. You have your library here. You can come down and animate anything that you see that's animation, and it's all free. So you just sign up with your Google Google account. Okay, so I've been playing with this. Once again, you just hit the enter tool, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Okay, but I am going to show you what I have created so far. Okay, so I use basically a whisk. I'm going to start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. I come here. Okay, this is what I want to do. Click on that. It's basically, you can animate, you can create, you can use a nano banana in here. Okay, on the left hand side, if you want to upload like an image, you can just basically drag and drop. We'll do that later. Okay, you can have a scene, and they have different styles. Okay, here it's already pre-prompt for you. Say we don't want a whisk, we want to do MPC. Okay, basically create a center high resolution 3D render of a logo that says MPC. Okay, so it's going to create, it's going to give you like 2 images, and it should just take 2 seconds. It literally, if you don't like it, say, I'm like, it should be capitalized. Okay, which that one is. Just pretend that wasn't there. But you're like, I don't want that. You can go in and hit refine, okay? And just tell it to capitalize it. And then you can actually animate it. And I animated one. There we go. I animated one already, and I'm going to show you. So you hit library, okay? And in the library, it basically shows every single thing that you have done. Just hit open, obviously, because apparently I can't hit open. So here I created 2 that says MP. Animate that. I had CT give me a prompt. So I'm going to copy and paste my prompt for this, and within like a few minutes, we can come back to that. So I have several of these open. I'm going to actually close it. I'm going to show you something. Okay. All right. So when you come here, and if you don't want to do any animate, just hit enter tool. It's going to bring you to this one right here. So I've been playing for some images, and the images are not that bad. Okay, she had glowing eyes. I switched it. Just hit the refine. Okay, so say that you want to upload. Okay, excuse me. I want to add here. Okay, all you're going to do is basically drag and drop the image here. It's going to analyze it. Okay, and you're going to put your prompt in here, and You can say, put her in the middle of a bamboo forest, or, put her in the middle of a battlefield. Okay. And then all you're going to do is just click that. It's free. You should come in here and use it. So you can do a lot of things. You can, do this. If you don't want to use her, no problem. You can add a scene, change the style. Let me see if this, okay, so this has, let's see. So basically I add, flowers to this. Once again, it takes a couple seconds, but you can generate an image in here, and you can generate a video. Look like I have 177 videos that I can generate, and it's free. So depending on what you're looking for, once again, this is an image I want. All I asked was just, give me an image of a hero standing in, part of a cliff. You can actually animate this. You can refine it if you want to. You want to change the lighting, hit refine. Say that we want to animate this, I have several projects going on, so let's go back real quick. Let me go back to CT and stick that in here and ask it for a prompt. Give me an animated prompt in this image in Whisk AI. So CT being CT, he's probably going to give me a prompt and then a JSON prompt. I'll just use the prompt. Yep. Oh, he asked me. Nope, I don't want a JSON prompt. So all I want to do is copy this. Okay. Then go back to Whisk. This is the one that I want to hit animate, not refine. So click on that. It's going to bring you to this. Paste your, animated prompt here, and probably within like a minute or two we should have a video. So once again, Whisk AI is free. It's part of the Google Labs product. Sign up with your Google and email. Come in here, play with it. If you get lost, you're like, oh, I'm lost. Just hit that, and it just brings you back to the main page. Okay, you can't get lost here. Okay, remember, you enter in tools. All the images and videos are going to be in my library, and you're like, you know what? Let me just play with some of the images. Just come on here, and they have different styles, and just try to animate and just be better at animating and creating your product. So let's see what's it doing. It's always at 72%. I should take that out. Sometimes I have like too much things going on. So there will be like another series. I think Google has like 5 or 6 different tools that I want to talk about that is free, that actually can help you, grow your content or your YouTube channel, or, all your social media channel. So let's see how this came out. So my knight is standing. Hopefully his cape is, and the wind is like gusting and stuff like that. So we'll see. Very heroic, and it's 4 seconds, so which is not bad. So yeah, the camera like moved in, so I like that. So yeah, that's actually pretty good. If you like it, you download here. So yeah, you can create an image and then animate it, and you can just do lots of different things on here. Okay, so say if you want to refine, like change the cape colors or whatever, just describe your edit there. It'll do it, and it'll, give you like 2 different options. Okay. I don't want to edit. I think I'm actually going to use that. So that is basically Whisk AI. Once again, it's free. It's part of this Google tool series that I am doing. So hopefully you can use more of the Google tools, instead of like different ones, because, free is always good. All right, guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the sub button along with the bell for the notification. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to sign up for our AI Lab community on Facebook. And don't forget to sign up for the newsletter, because lots of things are happening. Remember, stay kind, hydrate, and I'll talk to you later.